To add Google AdSense to your Hostinger website, start by creating a Google AdSense account if you don't already have one. Go to the Google AdSense website and sign up with your Google account. Fill out the required information, including your website URL and payee name. Once your account is approved, sign in to your Google AdSense account and navigate to the Ads page. Click on By Ad Unit and then select the type of ad you want to create, such as a display ad or link ad. Choose the ad size and format that suits your website. Then copy the ad code. Next, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the File Manager. Create a new file and paste the Google AdSense ad code into it. Save the file with a name like Adsense, HTML or Google Ads, HTML. Now, go to the WordPress dashboard of your Hostinger website and install a plugin like Ad Inserter or Advanced Ads. These plugins allow you to easily insert ads into your website without needing to edit the code. After installing the plugin, create a new ad unit and paste the ad code from the file you created earlier. Configure the ad settings as desired, such as the ad placement and display rules. To insert the ad into your website, go to the page or post where you want the ad to appear and click on the Ad Block button. Search for the ad plugin you installed and select it. Choose the ad unit you created and configure the display settings as needed. Finally, save and publish your changes to make the ad live on your website. Monitor your ad performance in the Google AdSense dashboard and adjust the ad placement and settings as needed to optimize your earnings. By following these steps, you can easily add Google AdSense to your Hostinger website and start earning money from your online content. Remember to always follow Google's ad placement policies and guidelines to avoid account suspension or termination.